Hello everyone. I am Niam. Today we will look for some random bacteria are live all around us. Although these microbes remain poorly understood, they could prove key to protecting life across the planet. Bacteria are microscopic, single-celled organisms that exist in their millions, in every environment, both inside and outside other organisms. Some bacteria are harmful, but most serve a useful purpose. They support many forms of life, both plant and animal, and they are used in industrial and medicinal processes. Bacteria are thought to have been the first organisms to appear on Earth, about 4 billion years ago. The oldest known fossils are of bacteria-like organisms. Bacteria can use most organic and some inorganic compounds as food, and some can survive extreme conditions. A growing interest in the function of the gut microbiome is shedding new light on the roles bacteria play in human health. There are many different types of bacteria. One way of classifying them is by shape. There are 3 basic shapes. Spherical, bacteria shaped like a ball are called cocci, and a single bacterium is a coccus. Examples include the Streptococcus group, responsible for strep throat. Rod-shaped, these are known as bacilli. Some rod-shaped bacteria are curved. These are known as vibrio. Examples of rod-shaped bacteria include Bacillus anthracis, B. anthracis, or anthrax. Spiral, these are known as spirilla. If their coil is very tight they are known as spirochetes. Leptospirosis, Lyme disease, and syphilis are caused by bacteria of this shape. There are many variations within each shape group. What does it do you want to see next, under the microscope? Let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.